Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Amito Mitra here from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. I hope you're all doing great and I hope that God is protecting all of you. Today is another very cold day. I'm feeling so cold, that's why I'm wearing this jumper. I want to take you through an unpacking. I've just received some few things that I imported for my candle business. Today is 9th January, yeah? So I'm going to do the unpacking and then I'll also be showing you how my day will be, or maybe also take you through the process of making some candles and some diffusers later on. So let's get into the unpacking together. So guys, I had already opened the boxes, as you can see. So I want us to remove these boxes and see what we have in here. Oh my god, they're falling. Okay, so we have these glasses. These are jars. These are glass jars that I use for candle making. So I bought different jars. This is a set of one of them. Let me remove this so that you guys can see the difference, because I might remove other different ones and then you'll be confused about the difference. So these are the glass jars. Let's put them aside. These ones are the, oh god, oh my god, they are falling off. These are fallen off, but I'll sort it. Oh my god. So these are the frosted jars. I'll be showing you the difference. I think you can tell the difference between these ones and these ones. These are glasses, these are frosted, right? Okay, let's get into, we have these other ones. These are the shiny white jars. These are shiny, as you can see. So I think you can tell the difference. These are shiny white, these are frosted, these are glass. I think you can see the difference. So they're not normally the same jars, they're different jars depending on what you put in them. Then lastly, in this box we have this, we have this box that has the, these are, we also have these, the matte jars. Some of you call it black, but it is matte black. Okay, so these are already 4 types of jars. In this box they also put some more frosted jars, which is okay. I'll be counting them later because I need to know that these are the exact jars I ordered for, but we shall do the counting later. I just want you guys to see what we have. So let me put this aside as well, and then put this box aside, and then let's get into opening this one. Okay, so we have this box here. We have the reeds. Oh wow. So these are dies. These are dies. These are different dies. I'll differentiate them later. And then in this same cavera we have the reeds These are the diffuser reeds for the reed diffusers that you guys are purchasing. And put them aside. So I bought another thermometer because the one I have might anytime get spoiled. Like I was trying to avoid an instance whereby I'm using it and then it gets spoiled and I don't have an option. So I had to purchase another one. So this is it. And then we also have these are called wig dots. I think I still have more in here because I ordered for more than this. Yeah, these are called wig dots. And then these are called wigs. Oh my god, I'm so in love with these ones. Ow! I actually didn't think they'll be this like these. These are the eco ones. I've been looking for them. Wow. Okay, these are so good. These are very good. So I'm glad that they're the ones they gave me. And then I also have some wig holders. Okay, let me remove the wigs. Put them aside. I have the wig holders here. There's so many. Let me leave them in the pack. I think everything left here is, these are the dies only. So let's put them aside. I don't know what we have here. Okay, before we open this, let's first remove this. We have more jars here. More jars. More jars. I'm so happy because this time around none is broken. You guys, most of the times I've been buying these things, by the time they get to Uganda they're already broken, but I'm not seeing anything broken today. So I really thank God. Anyway, I changed our courier. I'm not using the same courier companies I was using in the past. I'm now using a totally different one, and it's really giving me a good impression. So here we have, these are the diffuser bottles. These are the ones I use to make for you guys the reed diffuser. So this is how the bottles look like. I had a question sometime back. Someone was saying that I am just buying already made stuff and I'm just branding it. So I want you guys to know that there is nothing in here. If there's any liquid, it would be pouring. You guys are unboxing with me. So I just want you guys to know that I do everything from here. I put everything together from here. So these are some of the reed diffusers. Unfortunately, I bought less because I still have more. And then my supplier was also out of stock, so I had to opt for another supplier who hasn't yet gotten back to me. So I'll be letting you guys know. So let's open this Cavera and see what is in it. Oh, okay. These are the lids for the jars. I ordered for them in different colors. We have gold, we have rose gold, we have black, we have silver. So there are really many. Let me put them aside. Let's open another. Let's open this. Oh Jesus, what's in here? Oh my god, this is wax. Okay, this is wax. This is wax. It looks like chocolate. Someone told me it looks like chocolate sometime on WhatsApp. Yeah, so this is wax. This is the wax I use to make the candles. Put this one aside. I'm assuming this is wax too. Yeah, this is wax too. It's too heavy, so I'll have to leave it in here. And then of course we have some of the scents. I added more scents to the collection that I still had. So yeah, I'll have to just check my invoice and see if what I have is what I have received. But as for now, this is it. Let me see, is there anything else? Nothing. There is nothing more. So the unboxing is done. I'll be letting you guys in case of anything else. I just wanted to do the unboxing with you. You can comment down below if there is anything you didn't understand, and I will respond. See you later. Guys, Lynn Zabu, she's also a YouTuber. She has decided to come home and pick a candle for herself. Imagine she's coming from Gaba, like totally different part of the country, or part of Kampala, I mean.
Who am I not to support Mitra?
Oh, thank you. I think you guys remember her in the Nyege Nyege videos. I was with her most of the times.
I think I'm going to mind my business.
You want to mind your business? I told you to choose whatever you want.
Ended in tears. This one cannot be. This one is good.
It's good,
I'm
right?
going to mind my business.
All right.
You guys should come and support Mitra. Like my girl is winning, and you guys, thank you so much for the subscriptions. Up to 220,
baby girl.
See,
20.
I already want her to be
Amen.
on that level.
Amen.
Guys,
Amen.
I thank you. So now, the deal is coming to support her.
Yeah.
Let us not only support her on YouTube,
Yeah.
we subscribe to her pockets too, yeah?
Amen.
So, I'm waiting for you.
Thank you. Let's show them the candle that you've picked.
Yay.
She wants to mind her business. Well, who
I'm
are
going to
we
be
not to
minding
let
my
you mind your business? But then thank you so much, Lynn. I can't believe you had to move from Gaba.
Yes,
oh
why
my
not?
God,
I had to.
Boonga. What?
Because girls support girls, women
Exactly.
support women.
Yes.
And when you say you love someone, you don't just say.
Yeah.
Prove it, girl.
Oh,
You
wow.
love Mitra, prove it now.
Oh, wow. You need another hug. Thank you, girl. I'm so happy too.
Today I'm going to be taking this one.
Okay.
The next time, let me see, because I'm going to burn it every single day.
Okay.
So that
It gets done faster.
So I can come for another one.
You're going to find more because tomorrow I'm going to make more. Yeah, because they are now less. People have bought them, so I need to make more. By the time all these will be taken, the others will be cured for you guys to take. So,
thank you, Allah. And for the Muslim
community,
we got you as well. So please come. We have, I think she can make a personalized sticker for you.
Yes, I can.
If you want to send a message to someone, she can make that special personalized sticker for you.
Yeah.
So, Tamina, excuse
Not
you
at
don't
all.
have an excuse.
Not at all.
Don't.
Thank you, darling.
Check this.
Oh, those are diffusers.
I love diffusers.
Yeah, those are diffusers. There's another one here. They are both of different scents. Change the reeds. Change the reeds. Turn them.
Like
You do this. Let me help you. Oh, sorry, love. Sorry. Okay, there you go. You can now smell.
They were smelling even before changing the...
Yeah, I know.
I love me a house that smells nice. Like, basically why I love candles, sometimes the lights are too high.
Yeah.
You know, when you have all that stress and whatever.
And
you need to think, to meditate, like when you're in your bedroom alone.
Yeah. You switch off the lights.
Switch off the lights.
Yes.
Put on the candles.
Yes.
You don't want to leave your room.
I know.
These are very good for the living room,
the bedroom, the bathroom,
for your kitchen. Like, I really like things that smell good because I smell good.
I know.
Mitra smells good.
I
Her
know.
house is amazing. I want to live here. Can you do?
Please, anytime. You're welcome. Anytime, I'll open the door for you.
So when I saw this, I I said I have to be her first customer, but I am so sad and mad at whoever was the first one because I wasn't here. But I've made it here.
Yeah, you have. Thank you
Yes.
so much, girl. Okay, let me pack for you this one.
Men can what?
Men can lie. No, sese.
Why do you come up with all those?
Okay, have a drink.
Thank you.
Ingwe nkumanya so kola. Omalawo.
Tafukamira nako.
Yay. In this era.
Mwana mukulu bisirani.
Wama.
Bisirani ki?
Mwana bisirani. Nayenga, thank you for coming. Take a me.
Cake.
Oh,
Give me cake.
let me cut it.
A small one. Name like a mother de So the party was partied. I think you can see the cake was cut. We ate it. Everyone enjoyed it. And then another friend who came through, Cynthia, brought me this cake as well to congratulate me upon my 20k subscribers on YouTube. And the cake was extremely yummy. So we had 2 cakes. This and this. I'll try looking for a picture. I don't know if I took a picture of the cake alone. I'll put it somewhere here. But it was really yummy, and I still have some pieces here. I think I will have to send them to a few friends. I already sent my mom and my family, so I think I have a few friends who stay around that I'll send to. We still have more wine left. Like you knew, everyone came with a bottle of wine or liquor. Yeah, that is all that is remaining currently. I already sent some to my family as well. And then Shamim, one of the friends, brought me these flowers to congratulate me upon my 20k subscribers, and I really love them. So I want to replace my flower vase in the house and add these flowers onto it. So it was really a beautiful day. All went well, and I'm really humbled. I thank God for all of you friends. I didn't know how much you guys loved me because I mean I've not been seeing it, but this time around I was really humbled that you guys came through for me at a very short notice. Thank you so much. May God bless you and bless you all abundantly. See you guys later.